Hi YouTube, what do you have for me today? Oh, daily dose of internet. That's Oh my god, what's this? And what's this? And what are those? Immediately after I made my last video on the YouTube interface, YouTube decided to roll out a new UI. Literally before posting that video, I was wondering to myself, what if YouTube just happened to change their interface right after I made my extension? I didn't have to wonder for too long. But anyway, enough grumbling, let's get into it. Now that the new interface is here, I went back to my extension and I reworked it so that you can control all the settings directly from the browser using this extension settings here. So now you don't have to edit any files manually and refresh the extension every time. You can control everything right here directly. And while I was at it, I also added a new option, which is to customize the YouTube interface to change it back to something that looks more similar to what it used to be. You also have the options to hide any other element you want. For example, you don't want the play button, boom, it's gone. You don't want this red button, boom, it's gone. And in the shortcut tab, you can set a custom shortcut that will allow you to toggle the interface visibility on and off. So every time I hit B, the interface will disappear, and if I hit it again, it will appear again. You can customize this to any button you want. You can also enable modifiers. For example, if I want the shortcut to be Ctrl B, I would enable Ctrl. So now if I hit Ctrl B, it will attempt to print the page, because that's the shortcut for printing the page. But it will also toggle the interface. So yeah, make sure just not to overlap with something else. And lastly, if you don't want the interface to show until you actually press the shortcut, then you can also enable Start Hidden, which means that if I refresh the page now, the interface will be hidden. The interface will be hidden by default without me having to press anything. It will just not show until you actually press the toggle to toggle it back on. And if you're a psychopath, you can turn on the option to hide it by opacity, which means that if I toggle it off, I can still click the interface despite it being hidden. If you would like that for some reason. Okay, cool. But how do I get this extension, you may ask? Well, it's a bit complicated, but if you're on Firefox, I'm currently attempting to upload it to the add-ons repository. So I will put the link down below in the description once it's been approved and reviewed. But what if you're a dirty Chrome user? Like me. Well, too bad, because I'm not paying $5 to upload it to the Chrome store. Well, okay, if this video gets 100 likes, I'll upload it to the Chrome store. But for now, you'll have to do it the hard way, which is you have to go over to my repository and download it manually. So go to this link, which I will include down below, and then go to this green button and hit download zip file. And then download it somewhere on your device. I have a folder here called extensions, which I'm gonna save it to. And then you will have to extract this zip file, which I'm gonna click extract here. And it will create this folder for you, which is gonna be called Customize YouTube Player Interface Main. After that, go back to your browser and go to your extension settings, which I'm gonna click on this extension. And then I'm gonna go and manage my extensions. So now that we're in the extension settings, you wanna enable developer mode, which you should find in the top right corner, which will give you the option to load unbacked. So hit this button, and then you will have to go to your extension file and find the folder that we just downloaded and extracted. And then go inside of it and select folder. And there you go, the extension is now ready. And under the extension button here, you should be able to find it and pin it to the taskbar so that you can edit your settings. And there you go, it's now loaded and ready. And that's it, thank you for watching. If you do find any bugs, please let me know down in the comments below, and if you want me to upload it to Chrome, do leave a like. And thank you for watching, goodbye.